right, what is up? Good morning. As you can tell, we are a little later getting on the water this morning than we normally are. Sun is already starting to peak up, and to top it off, we are actually in a new, well, not new spot. We came to one of our winter spots, and we're gonna try it out during summer, see how it goes. So hopefully it's active, but hopefully actually the rain stays away. So it's just me and JT today. Let's get into it. It is. Got him. Get the net. Redfish?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Legal?
Doesn't look it.
No.
But hey, we got that one in the butt.
That's a nice redfish. It's got a perfect tail.
Just trying to get some more footage. Don't know if you can tell it, but it is raining
Pretty hard.
pretty hard.
They show them the water.
I don't know if you could see it or not. Yes, sir. It's what makes life fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
Come out expecting one thing. There was a 10% chance of rain today.
You got a red though.
And again, I want to say this is the whole purpose of the channel. What do you do when life is unexpected? I mean, we came out hoping to catch fish. That was the expectation. So far, we've caught one fish all day. So what do you do? Where's your hope? What's it found in? If you're looking for fish and chips, I recommend going to Salt Strong. Check them out. Insider Club is amazing. But what do? Do you just give up? Just kind of put your head in the ground and go, oh, it's too much? Or do you keep going? You gotta have hope found in something. And remember, hope comes from inside, not outside. That's why I recommend hope being found in Jesus and Jesus alone. Because everything on the outside can go from a bright, sunny, nice day, you catch a redfish, to, look at that. Can't even see down there because it is raining so hard. And it's in moments like that that you have to be able to find something else. So that's my little rant for this video. That is my glorifying Jesus in this moment. Because whether it's raining, whether you're in the storm, on the mountain, or in the valley, Jesus is still there. So hopefully this video doesn't end here. I don't know how long it's supposed to rain, so we'll just figure it out. I mean, look at Junior.
Hello. Oh, I was gonna look up. Hello.
One poncho on board. Guess who got it? Well,
we need to bring more.
Let's see. Woo! Looks fun.
the back full of water.
Hopefully there's more fish. Nice. Do you need the net?
No. Little jack.
Nice jack. Nice jack. And just like that, after an hour of pouring rain, hopefully I got the flounder on camera, it comes back out. Sometimes that's what happens. It sucks for a minute, but then the sun comes back out. Did you open up that cooler? Let's see. And we have that. Dang.
Still alive.
It's awesome. So we're gonna try one more spot just because, I mean, I know it's getting a little late, but I really want to try to catch trout so I can finish my slam for the day. And then we'll be heading back.
He's using the so we're heading to the dock. Alright. We are heading to the dock now. I would say it was a semi-successful day. I caught, I think it was an 11-inch or a 10-inch Jack Crevalle. My dad back here, he caught a decently large, let me just show y'all, flounder down there. No, it's gonna be tasty later. Then he caught a decent redfish. It was, what was it, just under slot? It was like just under slot. So took a picture of it, released it. Yeah, we got 3 more entries for CCA, Coastal Conservation Association for the nation. Yeah. So pretty cool day out. It rained a lot today. Had to wear a poncho. I've never worn a poncho before, so that's pretty cool. So thanks for checking this out. I'm JT.